everyone. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to open Excel workbooks with creating shortcut. The last method for opening Excel workbooks in a new window is to create a shortcut. Please do as follows. Open the Office folder on your computer with the following path. Open the drive C. Click on the program files. Search for Microsoft Office. Open the root folder. Open the Office 2016 folder and type EX, and when you found the Excel icon, right click on it and then click show more options and select create shortcut from the right clicking menu. Then a shortcut prompt box pops out. Uh, Click the yes button to create a shortcut in the desktop. Then an Excel shortcut is placed on the desktop, as you can see. Double click it and a new Excel window will be opened. Then you can select a blank workbook, or either you can click on the File tab, click on the Open feature and select a workbook that you want to open. If you need to open multiple workbooks in new windows, you should repeat step 4 to open them one by one. And in Excel 2013, the workbooks are opened in different windows by default. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more videos.